shit. Hella trapping and shit. Pull out that glizzy with the motherfucking Mac and this shit. You feel me and shit?
Hey, you can't be cussing on my thing, bro. Chill out.
You smell like...
That's good. You already know Sauceyboii J.
And we
You
rapping and shit.
already know SBJ back in the cut, you feel me? Oh yeah, excuse this language, you feel me?
Yeah,
it's a little vlog. It might be 2 to 5 minutes, you know?
It's something like...
Something simple, you mean? I just need to like show y'all what I'm doing. I ain't doing no dumb shit.
We're gonna go to Mickey D's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.
You see it right there?
You gotta put the McDonald's logo on that.
Why when it's right there, Mark?
No, you gotta do it for the thumbnail.
We high as fuck and we gonna smoke another blunt when we get back to the house.
Blunt man.
Tell them what just happened at the store, man. Tell them what just happened at the store.
With the girl?
Yeah.
She was bad as fuck.
What'd she do, bro?
She came up to us, bro.
Yeah, what she wanted, bro?
You know what she wanted, bro? She wanted that D.
I'ma keep it real, bro. She didn't want nothing, bro. She didn't want nothing to do with his ass. She wasn't something to do with
She ain't nothing to do with this ugly ass, ratchet ass, whole ass nigga.
Stop, bro. She wanted me, bro.
No, she didn't.
She looked me up and down.
You look like a
and
pencil.
then started smiling, then did this.
No, she did like, the same shit to me, nigga.
Bro, I could really.
She didn't even do that shit to you. She was looking at me the whole time. Bet,
nigga.
Bet.
Oh my.
Bet. I bet you I'll blame before you. My confidence is too high. Your shit is low.
Whoa. If my confidence is
you
low.
insecure.
Ah! I'm in the middle of the street. Bitch. Hell no. Confidence on the
We at the bus stop, bitch. We at the bus stop.
I'm going back over there. There's more light. Ah! Ah! He's trying to kill me. He bitch. You're all the way over there. Come on! Come on! I'm lonely! Come on! I'm coming back! I'm coming back! I'm coming back! I'm coming back! Well, I'm tired as hell. I did all of that for nothing, just running in the middle of the street. Shut up! Ain't no fucking quip. Ain't no dang quip. It's the red light.
Fuck you, nigga, red light. Come.
Shit, fuck it. I'm high as hell anyway. I don't give a damn. Just my time is my time.
Up with they friend.
No, I scream hell out sound. No, I ain't screaming.
I can fuck this shit up. Yeah.
I'm hella tired, man.
Bro, we tired,
finally
bro.
made it. Hey, what time is it? Let me see. What time is it? What you got there?
It's 10:07. Get out the bed.
It's what?
10:07.
Yeah, we at McDonald's high as hell. I'm out of breath still, bro. I smell like 2 blocks. Oh, shit. You know who you look like? You like Ronald McDonald's. Ugly Doofenshmirtz Evelyn Incorporated. After hours, your ugly ass.
Don't act high or your shit would not be
Bro, she just heard us.
You not put the volume on.
I just heard her. Alright, that's hella ugly. Cook my burger, fat ass bitch.
Alright.
Ugly. Well, we just ordered. I'm hella high. I got the munchies. All these ugly people in here. We finna sit right here. You feel me? Nah, she watching me too hard. Ugly as fuck over there, bro. Ooh, I'm knowing. He look like the dude that said, okay. He's like, yeah. The flame niggas tonight, bro. Hey, Survey said. Damn. He's like, you are the freaky nigga. Buzzer. Oh, wait, what the fuck? That big ass trap phone. Look at this. Got Trap Daddy. Trap Daddy booming. Got the got the Trap Daddy booming. Hit your ass up. I'ma call you up for some pussy. Yeah, I'm up. Like 2 in the morning. I'm trying to bust a nut. I'm in McDonald's at 10. What up? Shootout in the parking lot. Nigga, don't duck. These bullets hit your neck and you really pay. I'm cold, bro. These niggas looking at me like I'm kind of crazy. Hungry ass boy. That's my fries. Why you eat my fries? Now you tell me what stuff don't eat. I say nothing, bitch. My lips ashy. What's up, fuck? I ain't gonna lip, nigga. My mama, nigga. I ain't telling nobody, nigga. Who got fuck? You gon' fight me, bitch. Yeah, bitch. I just licked this ice cream. Stop playing with me. I'm about business, boy. Move.
I'll drink it.
You gay if you do that. I swear to God, if you drink off me. If you drink off me, you gay. That means you're a kisser boy. You ain't loving it. Oh, Mukbang. At McDonald's? Damn.
Let's do it. Mukbang at McDonald's. Get the food right here. Put your drink in.
You already bit off your burger. Yeah, like,
Oh, my gosh. I don't care what the fuck nigga feel like. It's what I feel like. What I feel like. Up in the middle, it's gone. Bro, y'all gonna have to see there. Be there to see when we in LA. That shit gonna be lit.
PK.
Watch the videos. Tune in when we go to LA.
We're gonna be so lit. PKG. Tune in, my man. We on something, bro. That's good. We finna go crazy. We gonna take over the internet.
Views.
I'm gonna take over the internet.
We're gonna make it.
Oh, I just noticed something. I got school in the morning. But who cares, right? Are you ugly?
Yo, hit the booty.
The bus.
Don't freak me out. Stay tuned when we get to LA, for real though.
Yeah, though.
Beach vlogs.
I'm gonna make me a sex tape.
Q&As.
No, I'm too big. I can't go.
Sauceyboii sex tape.
Hey, if y'all wanna see my vlogs, like this video. On the game. She was up in one and pat her head and like that. Yeah, nah.
Yo, yeah. I can't breathe.
If you could create the baddest bitch, what would you put on her?
Like body wise?
Like everything about her. Like you created your own.
Build a bitch?
Yeah.
That booty gotta sit. It gotta sit.
Fuck all that. I want the loyalty and trust first.
No, I want booty and you can't create.
Bro, any bitch
No,
can
you
get.
can't create fake shit.
No, my mama, that's some real shit. Like,
Actually, don't happen no more.
I'm saying a perfect bitch. Like,
Ain't nobody loyal though.
Exactly. That's why I would make one. Like, anybody can grow a booty. What the fuck? Anybody can have good coochie. But what a loyalty, what a love, man, what a respect, what a trust.
You can grow that too. You can grow that too.
What?
Love. Loyalty.
Oh, yeah.
Message. Message.
Yeah, I had to set my phone on my drink.
The next day.
You already know what the deal is, you feel me? We're going out to eat with my nigga Mark. Why you bring your muscle shirt, nigga? Why you wear a muscle shirt?
Cause fat niggas winning.
I thought you weren't fat.
I'm big bone. Same shit. We winning.
Hell no. Hell no.
We winning.
You like Oscar Robbins. Oscar Robbins.
All the ladies in the club, let me see you just.
You like her. You like her. Yes.
Baby wobble,
Baby wobble, baby wobble.
Get in
Why? Yeah, get in there. Look at the drip. Look at the drip.
You can get the picture.
Check your boy out. I don't feel like doing all this extra shit. You like to?
You look like too much.
Yeah, that's my nigga, bro. He almost got this shit capped the other day, bro. That shit sad. My mama. You safe? We gonna be out of Vegas. My mama, bro.
All of them.
I'm not putting everybody out. I'm just saying me, you, and the niggas I fuck with, bro. Alright. Sauceyboii and shit. But yeah, we at the buffet, high as fuck as y'all can see. We should have recorded it. Smoking high.
Nah, cause they know.
Oh. Yeah, they know what it is, man. And we high as fuck, bro. And we got the munchies. He still got, if y'all really want proof, he still got the jar on him. We'll show y'all later, bro. Like, we don't got to lie. And yeah, here we go. Eat, nigga, because we hella hungry. My mama, I stay tuned, bro. I'm finna eat like 4 pieces. I'm finna eat some of that ice cream with the sprinkles.
He not gonna eat shit.
I'm finna cry.
He not gonna eat shit.
Yeah.
Lucy, for real. You don't hold it right, maybe a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, get a thumb up. Get a thumb up. Yeah. You're ugly. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get in there. Damn, I need a haircut. My bald head ass, boy. This nigga look like Baskin Robbins ice cream cake, yo, ugly ass.
With you?
Hey, you. Ugly ass. Yo, net. Oh yeah, yo, ugly ass.
I'm finna play this, I don't really care if you cry.
I still bang that. I'll still listen to that song. I'm tired as hell, but I'm finna grub, boy. I'm up here.
Yeah, I'm finna go get some food.
We can't go until she come back.
Why we can't? Alright.
I'm out of here.
I don't know.
Let's start from over here. Maybe we should fall in love. It is deep as fuck. Evenly incorporated. Yeah. No, I want to start with like whatever come first that I like. Probably Mexican food. Probably right there.
We need to try all kinds every time before you leave.
Ooh. What? I'm finna get some of this.
What is that?
That rice. Give me that. I don't know what the hell that is right there. Get some of this. See, this lady just caught me right here. My bad, y'all. We had so much fun. I turned the camera up, started eating, bro. We started flaming niggas in this bitch. We teamed up right now. I want to flame somebody. Look at these niggas. Look. Can I get Sprite?
Yes.
And I'll have a Sprite also.
Okay, just this spoon.
Do you have a spoon on you?
What kind of spoon?
You got a spoon on you? Like a spoon?
Like a small spoon, a spoon for the coffee or a spoon for the soup? A bigger spoon?
Yeah, something just to eat this rice with.
Oh.
Yeah. Done.
I get a soup.
Thank you. So chill out.
Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna do it right here. Thank you.
Boy, you high when you sit there hella quiet thinking about something, eating some pizza.
Now you're going for that big piece of chicken. His ugly ass. Don't eat the big piece of chicken. Rochelle from Everybody Grit.
You saved the skin. You ugly ass.
You say you had a gun, you seen him. What would that one nigga that play in the hood like that? Yeah.
His Day. Oh yeah, Day.
Yeah.
And this just
He's Greg and David. Just the two motherfuckers on the seat. Group hug, nigga. Yo, ugly ass. Boy, what the fuck? These itty bitty ass cups, like, boom. Done, the fuck? What that? Give me it. Whoa. You like that? He like somebody from jail that wish your nigga would test his ass. Like this. You like this. He ugly ass.
I'm out of this universe.
Damn, bro.
Felicia, get out of my video.
Get out of my wheelchair. This nigga's so funny, bro. I'm the funniest brother alive, man.
No, I'm the funniest nigga alive. It's crazy.
God damn it, I had to get on my wheelchair. What's going on there? Out of everything, you eating a tortilla chip? Out of everything in the room, you eating a tortilla chip, bro.